This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2019 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football. We got a 3-box break, eBay break on July 28th, 2019. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got C. Roy Brown with the Falcons, Panthers, Bills, and Lions. JL3871-HTCH71T5ZE, Bengals, Browns, Giants, Redskins. Blaze Themey 0, hopefully I said that right. Niners, Jets, Eagles. George Gurley 11, Ravens, Texans, Chargers. NASA AND-78 with the Colts, Chiefs, and Patriots. J Loudon 1, Titans, KT Bales with the Buccaneers. Not Serp 37 with the Seahawks. Lena Legend, Steelers. P108 with the Raiders. True Blue Sound with the Saints. S Norm 710 with the Vikings. 9364 Teresa with the Dolphins. DP02525 with the Rams. J Loudon 1 also with the Jaguars and the Packers. We got Psychotic Baby 86 with the Broncos. BB_Paradigm-9 with the Cowboys. Foolish 433 with the Bears. And JBaz 818 rocking your Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Okay, we've got your 3 boxes here. 1, 2, and 3. This one's bursting at the seams here. All right, 2018 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet. Sealed box. Sealed box. Your first mini helmet coming at you guys. Good luck, everybody. Once again, your second break tonight. Gold Rush Autograph Jersey Football 2-box break at 11. So, all right, your first mini helmet coming at your front and center. Ooh, what do we got here for the Rams? That's what I thought. Little Marshall Falk for the Rams. Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Beckett COA on the back. Get the camera to... Come on, camera. Get it together. There it goes. There's your Beckett COA on the back with the hologram, too. Beckett COA down there in the bottom. Wow, Marshall Falk for the Rams. What a start. Congrats to the Rams. That is gorgeous. Alright, we're going to get the one here that's bulging at the seams. Mini helmet number 2. Maybe if I can get it out. I know what that one is. Never give up, Mr. Rudy Riddiger. Gotta love the Notre Dame Beckett COA 203/500. These are hand numbered. University of Notre Dame hologram there too. For the Rudy. Alright guys, so no NFL team for this one, so we're going to put all 32 NFL teams in random.org, and every team will have a shot at this one. We'll do that here in just a few moments after we open up your last mini helmet. So stick around, don't go anywhere. We're going to do a random here for the Rudy, guys. That's gorgeous. Nice. Nice Rudy. Alright. We got one mini helmet left. Alright, mini helmet number 3. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, the Oilers. Mr. Elvin Bethea. Autograph mini helmet for the Houston Oilers going to the Tennessee Titans. There's your JSA cert there. And JSA cert right here. So the Titans on the Bethea autograph mini helmet Oilers. So beautiful Marshall Faulk for the Rams. Mr. Bethea for the Oilers going to the Titans. Very nice. Congrats. And we have your Rudy that we're doing a random for right now. Right now. Okay. And there is all 32 NFL teams, guys. Random.org. Here at Cardboard Hobby, we go 5 clicks. And after the 5th click, whichever team is on top will be the winner of the Rudy, guys. Here we go. Good luck. There's 1. 32 items on the list. We're good there. There's 2 clicks. There is 3 clicks. And that's 4. One more time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And Eagles on top. Congrats to the Eagles. That's 5 clicks. The Rudy Riddiger is coming your way. Congrats to the Eagles. Congrats to the Eagles. So congratulations to the Rams. Beautiful Marshall Faulk. Congrats to the Oilers, which are the Titans, going to the Titans on the Bethea autograph mini helmet, and the Eagles getting the Rudy. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really do appreciate it, guys. Stick around. I'll be sticking around. Got another break coming up at 11, guys. Thank you so much.